working on the driver's side fenders today and get those finished up, get them rust primed for winter. That's what we got to do today. Got the fender off. So now I just gotta go through, clean up with the disc, floppy disc, given that I could actually get this off this time. On top of that, we're gonna go over this side with the floppy disc too, clean it up, make the lines more even, and then that should be it for the fender work. I didn't end up getting a new disc, and this one, there's not much left. So it's a good thing that I finished when I did. Otherwise, would have making a trip up to Lowe's with a hanging fender. Not ideal. Unfortunately, when you're working on a piece of Swiss cheese, there are a lot of holes. When I mean a lot of holes, I mean a whole lot of holes. Now I just gotta cut these rubber linings back, and then we can get to work on the front side. One last thing, before my phone dies, I gotta plug it in at some point. It is really low on battery, but you gotta finish up this fender. Not too much left to do, thank God. This is a lot of Bondo right here, so there is gonna be a lot of dust. But rewash the truck when I'm done. Just spray it off, give it a good wash. Obviously, there's Bondo dust everywhere. Doesn't smell good. Doesn't taste good either. Just in case any of you ever thought about trying Bondo dust. We're gonna run up to the wash, give her a good wash, and should be it. All right, just finished washing the truck. I'm gonna head home and then I'll check in with you guys there. So next morning, I know the video cut short and I apologize. Never ended up getting back to you guys when we got back to the house because my phone died, so I didn't have anything to record. So today we're gonna go out and we are going to throw up my rear view and prep my blinkers because they have a lot of stuff in them and I'm trying to get them out so I can clean them out and get the side indicators a little cleaner, a little nicer looking. So do that, throw the rear view mirror up, and that's all I got for today. All right guys, so I have my adhesive right here. There's a little bit of excess adhesive on the windshield right here. So we gotta get that off, clean it, prep it. I gotta get it off the back of the mirror here too. But once we do that, we should be good to go, and I can legally drive again. All right, guys, so got my gloves on, got the adhesive, got the mirror, everything's clean. No adhesive left on here, no adhesive left on the windshield. Let's get to work. You don't want to work with this bare hands. It's a horrible idea. Let it sit for a little bit before I try and adjust it or like even close the door, because it's a lot of force when you close the door, and actually that's how it broke off the first time. I closed my driver's side door, which I have to slam anyways, and the mirror came off. I'm gonna leave it up here, let it sit, let it dry, let it do what it needs to. We'll come back in a little bit, figure it out. I do have a slight problem though. These gloves leave a little film on your hands, and it is all over the seat. Okay guys, so next thing I said I was gonna do, work on these lights. Right here, these turn indicators, very gross, very nasty. Side indicators, I should say. So we're gonna try and get those out, clean them out, and then throw them back on and see how that goes. I can't clean these out. Maybe asking why. Well, the plastic mounts behind this side indicator are so old that I tried to get the bolt off and it just straight up snapped the plastic that holds it in there. So I still have one of the things that holds it, so it's still good. But I don't want to risk breaking the other one, so I'm not going to take this out. So we won't be able to clean it, but it's okay. I can go online and order a new one. So I'm gonna throw this back in, and then I guess we gotta wrap it up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know I couldn't clean off those lights, but it is what it is. Not a big deal. Again, you guys watching, make sure that I can put out more content like this. And it's something I really enjoy doing. So if you could press that like or subscribe button, that would be great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.